Hey everyone, it is CP Investing here, and today I'm going to be talking about two stocks that I think haven't done too well and that I think have a huge upside in the next year. So I think the two stocks I want to talk about have longer term potential. I don't think they're going to jump up immediately, but I think in a year or so, the price of these stocks could be doubled. So let's get right into it. The first one is Sarepta Therapeutics. I don't know if I said that correctly. SRPT is the ticker symbol. And this stock on Friday has dropped 51%, and in the after hours, it went up 4%. So this is an insane move. It basically gave back all the gain that it made since the coronavirus crash in March, and it dropped or went from all the way to 177, kind of dropped to 166, and then dropped straight to 85. So this right here is an insane move. I believe that this company had a drug test trial for a disease, and it got moved back 2 years because they weren't ready for it. So that's why it dropped 50%, which I think is kind of an overreaction in my opinion to that news, because this company isn't all about one disease. This company is about like 50 other diseases, and I think this has a lot of potential in the future. I know ARK Invest and Kathy Wood are basically doubling down on their position. They first bought in December, and they bought really heavily yesterday on their Friday report that just came out. They showed that they bought a lot more shares of this, so they have a lot of faith in this company, and I think that should give everyone else faith that this company has a lot of room to grow. And this is just an overreaction in my opinion. I think on Monday, I think we can see the price go up to 90, but I think we'll trade sideways for a pretty long time, and then I think by the end of 2021 or end of 2022, this will be almost a $200 stock in my opinion. So if you're willing to wait out the long term with this, I think you have a lot of upside with this. So let's get into the next stock, and that one is AT&T. So currently AT&T is at $29.01, and today we're down 1%. And I know AT&T is like a fast internet TV bundle smartphone company, and the previous CEO and the owners have been making really dumb decisions the past couple years, and they got rid of that CEO and they got a new one in July, I believe. So I believe that this stock has so much upside with a new CEO. They just sold a bunch of their assets to try to get out of debt. A lot of people don't like this stock because it's so far in debt. I believe it's like 150 billion in debt they are, but this stock price is ridiculously low, and I don't think people are taking into account their HBO Max service and how that just got into Roku. And companies like Disney, who have Disney Plus, are trading at tech multiples, like way overpriced earnings ratio. And I believe that this stock is kind of undervalued right now. I could see this stock hitting $40 by the end of 2021 if they start hitting their goals and stuff like that. I plan with this company, AT&T, to buy 2 call options on this. So I believe it's going to go up, but the call options I plan on getting end on January 20th in 2023. And I plan on getting like the 32 call option. Break even is 34.18 on Monday. I do plan on getting this. I plan on buying 2 and just writing it out, just have this in my portfolio for the long term, because I believe that with the new CEO, the HBO Max service is going to grow. It's going to keep on growing. I believe that this company is going to do really well. People also don't like this because they didn't add to their dividend. For the past couple of years, they've been adding slowly to the dividend, and this year they haven't, and I don't see that as a big deal. I see that actually as almost a positive, because if they're not putting it into the dividend, I see them putting that into like research and development and trying to grow their assets that they have right now. So I am starting to like AT&T. I've been eyeing this for the past couple of weeks, last month, and I watched it go all the way up, and then now I watched it come back down right here. I think in the future, the next year and in 2022, this thing can easily go up to 40, 50, and possibly even 60. So a lot of analysts don't like this. I don't think they're taking into account all their HBO Max and other services that they provide. And yeah, I like AT&T and Sarepta Therapeutics for the long term, just holding it long. So if you guys enjoyed this content and want to see more videos like this, subscribe, and you guys won't regret it, and drop a like on the video so this gets out to more people, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.